So welcome back for another video. Today guys, it's simple. We just gonna show you one of the best masks on the market right now. So Zelbuck 107 mask. The reason why I'll show you this mask guys is because for someone like me who doesn't like using mask doing my DIY project, I realized this is one of the best one and it's important to use because one of my friends called me and said, bro, I saw you doing a project using some different kind of wood, different kind of like paint or whatever I can use doing my channel, so doing my project. So boy, it's important to use this one. As you can see on the box here, you got 4 items inside, and I'm gonna go in detail with this item. And this is the name. You can check it on Amazon. You got glasses, you got the actual 1.5 face mask on it here. So I'm gonna show you in really detail guys how to set that up, and then if you like one of them, you can go check that on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link on the description below and you can check it out. And again, it's important, it's for your health. I didn't think about it before, but I think if I want to keep doing what I'm doing for a long time, I definitely need something to protect my lung or to protect my health. So you never know what can happen. So in the box you also have like I said before, the manual. So you have a one user manual, so you don't have two, and it's on 3 languages: French, English and Spanish. So this one you have a 1.5 face mask. So you also, in the box you also get the actual filter. So this one it comes with 6 inside. You get 6 particles filter and cotton. So those are replaceable. You can get them like aftermarket and anywhere. So those are important. So I use this glasses mostly when I'm using like a spray paint. I use that, but other than that I just use the regular glasses. For me, I find this one is really too big, so I just go with the regular glasses. And then you get the 2 crabs to put the filter, and then you have the most important item, which is that the one. It's a 2-pack replaceable filter cartridge. So those are very important. And then as you can see right here, you have those 2 holes. Those are the perfect air circulation. This is really easy to breathe with low resistance. So those 2 here we attach at the mouth. So I'm gonna show you in detail guys how to set that up, and then I will go for it. And again, it's important, don't take it like easy guys and on you. So it's important to go use the mask whenever you're doing like a DIY project where there's a lot of dust, or when you're painting, or when you're using a chemical object. This mask is really cheap, I can say, compared to the high professional one, and it almost gives the same result. So the actual mask is on silicone, like the face. Inside you get this little plastic. Those are the valve to protect the whatever come out. So it's and that helps with the also breathing flow to get easy. So like I said, the mask itself, it's made like a food grade silicone material. So it's really good for your face. It's not gonna if you're allergic with silicone, you may not use it, but if you're not allergic with if you don't have any allergy with silicone, that's good to use. Alright, so and again, like I said, those are the 2 perfect air, those are the 2 dual filtration systems. So that's also a very reliable protection against organic gases or vapors or any particles you can have. So this is the cover, and technically you just put the filter inside and then you hold it sideways to make it clip together. So as you can see, I'm going to show you exactly how to hold it, just like that, and you put like a small pressure on it, just like squeeze with 2 hands and you should be fine. Squeeze that in and then should be perfect. That's it. Then you grab your mask, you turn it upside down, as you can see here, and then you kind of look where the pin are. There's 3 pins. Just align those 3 pins and then you turn it, and then that's it. So I try to look at the pin, you get it there, and then you just twist it towards the clockwise. And do a squeeze, yeah, that's it. And you repeat the same thing at the other side, and then you're good to go, you know. So as you guys know, on this channel I do have 3 separate playlists, and I find it important to separate all my videos and keep it very clean and organized for you guys. So this video is gonna be, if you're looking for it, it's gonna be on the instruction videos or assembly video. So we have 3 playlists as I said. So one for renovation, one playlist for like a wood project, and then a playlist for instruction, as you can see here. So that's a little demonstration about how I put it on. Those are the 2 straps where you can just attach it at the back. So it's a really good elastic system with the headband and all that. So just attach it, and you also can adjust it as you can see here. I'm doing at the back here. Just pull on those 2 straps and then it should be good to go, depending how big or tight you want it to be. Perfect. And you can just put your glasses over it, and then you're good to go, as I said. So me, I don't really use that glasses, but I use small glasses, and I give me the same protection. That was it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I think you can enjoy this video. And again, it's for your health. It's important to use a mask, even if it's not this one, but go with any good mask you can find on the market. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.